Hello students, welcome to Dynamic Institute of Physics. Myself Suresh Kumar, I am a physics lecturer. Today we continue the concept of circular motion. So circular motion and linear motion, what is the difference? Circular, it is nothing but angular motion it is. Circular motion is nothing but angular motion. There are many subarticles are there. A subarticle, radius vector and angular physical quantities. Angular physical quantities. What are these angular physical quantities? Theta, angular displacement, angular velocity, angular acceleration. These are axial vector, theta, omega, alpha. And this is radius vector or position vector. This is the first subarticle. And इसमें types of circular motion, uniform and non-uniform. Two conditions it is. So that is uniform and non-uniform circular motion. So uniform and non-uniform circular motion. This is the subarticle, second one. The continuation is, one is relation between linear and angular quantities, linear and angular physical quantities, angular physical quantities. And third subarticle, kinematical equations. So kinematical equations in angular motion are, this is circular motion में kinematical equations. Next one, centripetal acceleration and tangential acceleration. Centripetal acceleration and tangential acceleration and resultant acceleration. ये दोनों का resultant, that is resultant acceleration. And its direction, that is fourth subarticle. Next one is centripetal force. The example. What are the examples in real life? Centripetal force and examples. Next one is centrifugal force and applications. Centripetal force and applications. And another, conical pendulum banking of roads. And last one is vertical circular motion. These are the subarticles of circular motion. And circular motion, these are the subarticles. The students feel very easy topic, very easy concepts. Radius vector, nothing but position vector. This is the first one. And next one is angular physical quantity, theta, omega, alpha. These are axial vectors. This direction along the axis. Uniform and non-uniform circular motion. The students feel very easy these concepts up to this. And the student just confusion about the concepts of centripetal force and applications and examples. And conical pendulum and banking of roll. Confusion, just confusion. I will clear the confusion. And vertical circular motion. Not discussed entire this topic, just I discussed about the concepts of centripetal force and examples, and conical pendulum and banking of ropes, and vertical circular motion. I will clear the doubts. And so these concepts, the first one centripetal force and example. Today we will continue the concept of centripetal force and examples. So what is this concept, centripetal force and examples? This is the concept of circular motion. What is centripetal force? So centripetal force, the force which provides the circular motion, that is called centripetal force. The force which provides circular motion, that is called centripetal force. A force which provides circular motion is called centripetal force. Centripetal force, CPF, it is provides circular motion. It is a real force. Real force means gravitational force, electrostatic force and friction. These normal reaction, these forces are provides centripetal force. Gravitational force, electrostatic force, frictional force, these provides centripetal force. A centripetal force, it is write as, centripetal force is always toward the center. It is a real force, always acts towards center, center of circle. It is write as F equals to M into AC. It is nothing but radial force, M into AR. Radial force it is. Centripetal force or radial force it is. And this centripetal force and radial force, F equals to M into AC, M into AR. So this is M into AC write as centripetal acceleration, that is write as V square upon R. V square upon R. Otherwise, F equals to M into V write as R omega, then it is write as MR omega square. Otherwise it is V into V by R, that is omega, M into V by R, that is omega, MV omega. This is the centripetal force ka formula, MV square by R, MR omega square, MV omega. But vector form, what is the vector form? The force which is towards the center, that means it is always acts opposite to the radius vector. Radius vector direction is outward. Radius vector, this direction is outward. And centripetal force toward the center, this is FR. This is always toward the center direction. This is the object. So OA towards A to O. This is FR. Okay, radial force or centripetal force opposite to the radius vector. It is write as MV square upon R into R naught cap unit vector use किया तो minus FR bar. So R naught, this is unit vector. Its direction along the radius vector, along the radius. Unit vector का direction along radius. This is unit vector. Fr bar minus mv square upon r into r naught cap. So this is the vector form of centripetal force opposite to radius vector, opposite to radius vector का opposite it is. So this is the centripetal force. So this centripetal force, suppose the examples of CPF, centripetal force का example. So example, the gravitational force, earth is revolving, so revolving around the sun. Gravitational force is provides centripetal force. This satellite is revolving around the earth. This satellite is revolving around the earth. This is gravitational force is provides centripetal force. This is mass of earth. This is mass of satellite. So the distance is smaller. Write as capital R plus H. M mass of earth and R radius of earth. Smaller is radius of orbit. So here the gravitational force is provides. Gravitational force provides centripetal force. Gravitational force provides centripetal force. It is write as G capital M small m upon R square. This is equals to mv square upon R. We calculate velocity of this satellite or speed of this satellite is measured using the relation is Gm upon R square equals to mv square by R, where v equals to under root of Gm upon R. V equals to under root of Gm upon R plus H. If H value is small, this is the centripetal force. Okay, H value is small, V equals to under root of Gm upon R. Centripetal force is provides. Okay, gravitational force provides centripetal force. Same as electrostatic force also provides the centripetal force. Electrostatic force, suppose this is the nucleus, electron revolving around the nucleus. Here, electron revolving around the nucleus. Here, electrostatic force provides CPF, centripetal force. So this is the second application. This is okay. This is first one, gravitational force provides CPF. This is second one, electrostatic force provides CPF. This is electrostatic force 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Ze. This is the charge of nucleus. This is electron charge upon R is the radius R square. Okay, Ze into E upon R square, that is equals to mv square upon R. So then we calculate, this is, what is the velocity? Velocity we want Ze square upon 4 pi epsilon naught m into R, that is equals to v square. V equals to under root of Ze square upon 4 pi epsilon naught m into R. This is the V value. V indicates this is the V. So electrostatic force provides centripetal. Suppose a body is move in a curved path. A vehicle move in a curved path. Here, the centripetal force given by friction. Friction provides centripetal force here. This is the third one. Friction provides centripetal force. Then weight acting on vertically downward. Normal reaction acting on vertically upward. This is the horizontal surface it is. So horizontal surface, this condition, N and mg both are opposite. Here friction provides centripetal force. Friction is always towards, this is, friction is always toward the center of circle. Here friction write as mu into N. That is equals to mv square upon r. N write as N equals to mg. N equals to mg. Then its value mu into mg. That is write as mv square upon r. Its value becomes mu g r, that is equals to v square. V equals to under root mu r g. That means velocity of the vehicle, safety velocity of the vehicle. Vehicle move in this curved path safely. Then what is the minimum speed? So this is what is the maximum speed. ये स्पीड से और ज़्यादा हो गया, the body leave the circular path. The body is moved tangential to the circular path. So this is the maximum velocity. ये velocity से ज़्यादा हो गया, body leave the circular path. This is v equals to under root mu rg. This is, so example, one circular, okay, centripetal force का example, friction provides. Another one coin is on the disc, rotating disc. This is one rotating disc. So rotating disc, one coin on the rotating disc. The disc is rotates with an angular velocity omega. A coin on this rotating disc, it rotates in a circular path of radius is r. Circular path of radius is r it is. Then what is the minimum velocity? So maximum velocity, this coin is revolving this circular path. If the velocity is more than that, this coin leaves the circular path. So here the centripetal force is compulsory acting on the coin. This centripetal force is given by friction. Friction provides centripetal force. Friction provides centripetal force CPF. Then here the friction is write as mu into n, that is equals to centripetal force mv square upon r it is. mv square by r. Here weight acting on vertically downward mg and normal reaction acting on vertically upward n. The speed of the coin is v. So this is v. So this is n equals to mg. Mu into mg, that is equals to mv square upon r, where v square equals to mu rg. Mu into r into g. This is v equals to under root mu rg. So this is the safety velocity. Safety velocity means the maximum velocity. More than this much velocity, then the body leave the circular path. Suppose what is the maximum angular velocity? What is the maximum angular velocity? Omega we want. Then using the same condition, friction is equals to mr omega square. Mr omega square also centripetal force. Friction provides CPF. Here F is write as mu into n equals to mr omega square, where mu into mg, this is write as mr omega square. So mu into g, this value equals to r omega square. So mu constant, g constant, mu constant, g constant, then r omega square, this value equals to constant. R omega square value becomes constant. R omega square is constant. Then here we are using R1 into omega 1 square. This is equals to R2 into omega 2 square. R1 omega 1 square equals to R2 omega 2 square. If angular speed changes, the radius of this circle radius also changes. So R1 omega 1 square equals to R2 omega 2 square. This value is r omega square equals to mu into t. We want omega square हमको चाहिए, omega equals to mu z upon r, omega square value. This is omega root mu g upon r. This is the omega value. So this is the safe. So any coin revolve on the rotating disc. What is the angular velocity? What is the safe velocity? Suppose the velocity is more than this, the body leaves the circular path. So this is example of centripetal force. Centripetal force examples are, this is another fifth one. One string, one load attached to the lower end of a string. Load attached to the lower end of the string. When this load, this weight is mg. This is revolving in the horizontal circular path. Horizontal circular path, not vertical, it is horizontal. Horizontal circular path. Then the tension provides centripetal force. Tension gives CPF, centripetal force always toward the center. Tension provides, this is a horizontal circular motion, it is horizontal circular motion. Horizontal circular motion, this condition, so the gravity effect is not X. This condition, gravity effect, horizontal circular motion. Tension T is provides CPF. That means T equals to mr omega square, nahi to m v square upon r. Otherwise, T equals to mr omega square. This T indicates this is the tension. It is tension provides centripetal force. Tension provides centripetal force. And next one is, suppose a body is rotates, a body in a bowl. When this bowl in rotatory motion, so this is, bowl rotates with an angular velocity of omega. One body on this bowl. So the radius of this bowl is capital R. And radius of the bowl is capital R. This is one hemispherical bowl. It is rotates with angular velocity omega. One body in a circular path at a height hits from the bottom of the bowl. Hits a height it is, and this radius is smaller. Smaller is the radius. The body is in circular motion. The circular motion at a height of h. H height from the bottom. Bottom to its height is h. This is in circular motion of radius r, smaller. And the radius of the bowl, that is capital R. Radius of the bowl is capital R. What is the angular velocity of this bowl? Bowl angular velocity we want. What is the angular velocity of the bowl? This body is revolved in this path. ये path में ये body revolve होना चाहिए, मतलब in angular velocity of the bowl we want. This is also example of centripetal force. What is the angular velocity of the bowl? First of all, this body is circular path. The weight of the body acting on vertically downward. This is the weight. And normal reaction is acting on toward this center direction. This is normal reaction. Radius of the circular path is radius of this bowl is capital R. Radius of the circular path is smaller. N is normal reaction. Again, this N is resolved into two parts. Here, this is angle is we considered theta. This angle is theta. Then this is theta, this alternating angle, this is also theta. So this is a normal reaction. Normal reaction results into two components. Which side theta, that is n cos theta, and remaining n sin theta it is. N sin theta toward the center of circle. This is circle direction mein, that is n sin theta. N cos theta balances mg. N sin theta provides Cp of centripetal force. N cos theta balances, this is mg. And using these two equations, n sin theta and n cos theta, the first and second equation, n sin theta is write as m r omega square. Small r, radius of the circle, a small circular path ka radius it is. And n cos theta, this is write as mg. Take the ratio, its value becomes sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. Its value r omega square upon g. Mass be cancelled. R omega square upon g it is. So here the small r and capital R relation. Just we using here in this triangle. This is small r and this is capital R. This is theta, where sin theta is write as small r by capital R, where small r equals to capital R into sin theta. This is equals to small r. Value put किया तो this is sin theta upon cos theta tan theta. Small r, this is write as capital R sin theta into omega square upon g, where sin theta function is cancelled. Then omega square is write as g upon r cos theta. This is omega square. Omega square equals to g upon r cos theta. We want omega under root of g upon r cos theta. Under root of g upon r cos theta. This is omega. We don't know the cos theta. Suppose cos theta is write as this existence. This is existence upon hypotenuse. This value we know the height. Then here the cos theta is write as this total is r. This is r minus h. Then cos theta is write as r minus h upon r. Then cos theta write as r minus h by r. Then this value is used here. So omega equals to under root g upon r into cos theta r minus h upon r. Here r value is cancelled. Omega write as under root of g upon r minus h. G upon r minus h. This is the omega value. Omega equals to g upon r minus h. This is the r minus h. That this value is put here cos theta position. Then g upon r minus h, that is angular velocity omega value. So this is the omega value is given. The application of centripetal force and that this is one cone. One body is revolving on the mouth of this cone. This is one cone. The body is revolving here on the mouth of the cone. So this is the height of this cone. So this cone height is h it is. And the radius of the cone is, this is maximum radius is r. A body is revolving. So body is revolving. Otherwise, suppose cone is revolving, cone is rotating. Cone rotates with an angular velocity omega. This body is rest here. One body is rest here. Cone is rotates. Body is rest. That means this condition, what is the angular velocity of this cone? What is the angular velocity of the cone? Body at rest. This is one condition. Suppose cone at rest, body is rotates with an angular velocity of omega. Cone at rest, block is rotating with an angular velocity of omega. What is the minimum angular velocity? This block is rotates here. So the two conditions, cone rotate हो गया तो block rest में है. ये पोजीशन में रेस्ट में होने के लिए कितना एंगुलर वेलोसिटी होना चाहिए? सपोज ब्लॉक कौन रेस्ट में है, ये ब्लॉक इज इन मोशन. व्हाट इज द एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ दिस ब्लॉक? दिस इज रोटेट्स इन दिस सर्कुलर पाथ. ये सर्कुलर पाथ में रोटेट होने के लिए ये एंगुलर वेलोसिटी, कितना एंगुलर वेलोसिटी होना चाहिए? सो दिस कंडीशन, द वेट एक्टिंग ऑन वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड, weight is vertically downward mg, and here normal reaction is acting on normal to this surface. Normal reaction acting on normal to this surface it is. So this is a normal reaction, and this is resolved into two components. Normal reaction, we want any body in circular motion, centripetal force होना चाहिए. Without centripetal force it is not possible, it is not comes in circular motion. Here circular motion, this is here normal reaction component provides circular motion, yes, centripetal force. So this angle is theta, this angle becomes theta. Then here this is 90, this is 90 minus theta, then this value becomes theta. This is 90 minus theta, then this is theta it is. ये theta, this is 90, this is 90 minus theta, then ऊपर का ये angle is theta. So one component n cos theta, theta which side, that is n cos theta. Remaining component n sin theta. Remaining component n sin theta. We want what is the maximum angular velocity of this block. What is the maximum angular velocity of this block? Here, n sin theta, this is balances mg. N sin theta balances mg. N cos theta provides centripetal force. Centripetal force given by n cos theta. That means n cos theta. This is given by centripetal force mr omega square. इधर mr omega square यूज किया, we getting omega. mv square by r यूज किया, we getting v velocity. Then here the values are, take the ratio, this is cos theta upon sin theta. Its value r omega square upon g. Ratio of these two. N value is cancelled. Cos theta by sin theta, r omega square by g. So here r is capital R, radius of this circle. Capital R is given, so this is capital R. So this is the relation here. Then this is write as, we want to omega. This is 1 upon tan theta. 1 by tan theta equals to r omega square by g. R omega square upon g. So this value is, we want omega square. Just you observe here, tan theta write as opposite by existence r upon h. 1 by tan theta, h upon r. Tan theta write as r upon h, where 1 upon tan theta, its value becomes h upon r. So a value h upon r, that is equals to r omega square upon g. R omega square by g. We want omega. Omega value gh upon r square. This is equals to omega square. Omega equals to under root of gh upon r. Omega equals to under root gh by r square. Sorry, gh by r square. Suppose ये r बाद लेके आने के बाद omega into r, that is equals to root gh. Suppose what is the speed of this block? ये block का speed हमको चाहिए, तो v equals to omega r. V equals to omega r, that is speed, that is under root g into h. This is the one block revolve on a mouth of a cone. So this condition, what is the speed equals to gh. What is the angular speed? This is write as omega equals to under root of gh upon r square. This is the cone. Using cone, the condition is this. And another, the relation is, another relation, another example of centripetal force. So this is one horizontal cylindrical drum is given. This is a horizontal cylindrical. This is one cylindrical drum. A body is revolving in a drum in a circular path. As a circular path, this is revolving. So a body is revolving this cylindrical drum here. So body is revolving this cylindrical drum. Weight acting on vertically downward. And here normal reaction, this circular path, normal reaction provides centripetal force. So normal reaction provides CPF, centripetal force. Weight acting on vertically downward, centripetal force is given by normal reaction. And here the block is not fall, means friction is acting vertically upward. This is friction acting vertically upward. F is equals to mg. You know that F is right as, friction is right as mu n equals to mg. Mu n normal reaction, friction is equals to mu into n. So n right as mu into mv square by r. That means the safety speed we want. What is the maximum speed? So that is right as mv square by r, then this is maximum speed v square equals to rg upon mu, where v equals to under root of rg by mu. This is v value, v equals to under root rg upon mu. Suppose we using here mr omega square. So F is equals to this condition. What is the angular velocity? Here, what is the angular velocity? Maximum angular velocity. So this is, so angular velocity we want. Suppose you have the angular velocity चाहिए तो F equals to mg, upward force is equals to downward force. Mu into F right as, so this is normal reaction, that is equals to mg. Centripetal force given by normal reaction. Centripetal force is right as mr omega square, otherwise mv square by r. So this is equals to mg. So this simplification after mu into r omega square equals to g. It is omega square equals to g upon mu into r. Omega equals to under root of g by mu r. So omega equals to g upon mu into r. So this is the angular velocity. Omega is equals to under root g upon mu into r. Mu indicates, so this is coefficient of friction of this surface, a surface ka coefficient of friction, and r radius of this circular path, a circular path ka radius r. Again, suppose we want the time period. Time period means omega equals to 2 pi upon capital T under root of g upon mu r. Then t equals to 2 pi under root of mu r upon g. This is the time period value we want. Then time period of the circular path, the time period value. So this is minimum angular velocity. Minimum angular velocity, not maximum. Minimum angular velocity required, the body revolve in this circular path. Omega equals to g upon mu into r. So this is minimum speed required, the body revolve in this circle. That is equals to under root rg by mu.